Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So there's been a lot of questions concerning Arichain and its airdrop, such as when is this project actually listing, when is the token generation events, and what's going on with the whole Arichain airdrop. All right, now I want to tell you guys that Arichain is gradually coming to an end. If you've not yet been serious with the Arichain airdrop processes, you have to get ready and get serious with it. All right, if you check over their X account, you see the updates they just dropped few days ago. All right, you can see the Ari wallet registration update is scheduled for late October to early November 2025. Ari wallet, submit your EVM wallet address and Discord nickname. Discord in-app, submit your Ari wallet address and EVM wallet address. These updates will be launched through a future upgrade planned for late October to early November. All right, so now wallet submission and as well in-app Discord wallet address submission is going to start late October and early November. All right, between late October and early November. So if you've not yet been serious with your Ari wallet airdrop procedures, all you have to do guys is just to get ready and start participating in the airdrop criteria. All right, that is if you abandon the project. All right, because it was obvious a lot of persons lost interest in Arichain and now they're about to list. All right, if you've not yet joined their Discord account, all right, they made a post on the early hours of today. Let me just scroll up a bit. 14 hours ago, before starting Ari account and wallet registration, we will be closing access to Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, please make sure to join within 48 hours. We will block access to the Arichain Discord afterward. All right, and remember that it is on the Discord account that you'll be able to submit your EVM wallet addresses. All right, you'll be able to submit your EVM wallet addresses such as the Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any EVM wallet you make use of. All right, so do well to join their Discord account before it shuts down. All right, they're giving about 48 hours, and this is what the Discord account looks like. If you check down the description box of this video, you're going to see the link to their Discord account. All right, this is the official Discord account with over 450,000 members. You can see this right here, so make sure you join the correct Discord account. All right, if you have questions to ask and any other confusion, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. All right guys, don't forget to check in every single day on your Ari account and claim points. The main aim is just to claim these Ari points. All right, claim the Ari points, participate in their general activities. All right, follow all these guys on X, and as well claim all these options. All right, claim all these points they have here in these options, then check out this collaboration section also and participate in all these tasks. All right, now with this you'll be able to qualify for the token generation events and possibly receive your airdrop tokens when the listing comes. Remember, this is going to take place early November, so you don't want to sleep on this. If you've not yet subscribed or you're visiting us for the first time guys, do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Then go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below. We really appreciate it. I'll be bringing you more updates on this and many more to come, so do well to stick around, and goodbye for now.